Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to my online class. Today, let us see what numbers are. Singular number is used when the noun refers to one item. Plural number is used when the noun refers to more than one item. Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. Uncountable nouns and mass nouns do not normally have a plural form. So let us see today what the numbers are, and let us see some examples of numbers. Regular nouns. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s. There are some words, just you add s to the word, it will become plural, like boat, boats, house, houses, cat, cats, river, rivers. In these words, you have just added s, right? So it became plural. There are some words, they are ending in s, x, z, ch, sh. Makes the plural by adding es. So there are some words in which they are ending with some these letters, and you have to add es to these words, then it becomes plural. For example, bus, it ends with yes and you have added es. Wish, it is h, wishes. Pitch, pitches. Box, see here x, okay. Box, boxes. You have added es to these words, and now these words have become plural. There are some nouns which end with a consonant, and then y makes the plural by dropping the y and adding ies. There are some words which ended in y, but in plural y should be dropped and we have to add ies. These are the examples: penny, pennies; spy, spies; baby, babies; city, cities; daisy, daisies. See, all these words are end with the letter y, and in plurals we added ies everywhere. Okay. Now, irregular nouns. There are some irregular nouns plurals. The most common ones are listed below. Okay. See here how it changes. Woman, woman. Word will remain like that only. Just you have to change one letter. Man, men. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. You know. Foot, feet. Person, people. Leaf, leaves. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Half, house. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Elf, elves. Loaf, loaves. Okay, these are the examples for irregular nouns. These are the examples. Some more examples: potato, potatoes; tomato, tomatoes; cactus, cacti; fungus, fungi; nucleus, nuclei; syllabus, syllabi or syllabuses; analysis, analysis; diagnosis, diagnosis; oasis, oasis. See the spelling, see the changes. Okay. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and the plural. There are some words, they are same in singular as well as plural. Sheep remains sheep only. Fish, fish. Deer, deer. Species, species. Aircraft, aircraft. It has no changes in plurals. Okay, it remains as it is. Irregular verb noun agreement. Some nouns have a plural form but take a singular verb. See, there are these words are plural nouns but it is considered as singular verb in a sentence. For example, news. The news is at 6:30 p.m. News, actually this is a plural noun but in this sentence it is used as singular noun. Athletics. Athletics is good for young people. Linguistics. Linguistics is the study of language. Darts. Darts is a popular game in England. Billiards. Billiards is played all over the world. See, all these words are plural nouns, but in this sentence it is used as singular noun. Some nouns have a fixed plural form and take a plural verb. They are not used in the singular or they have a different meaning in the singular. Nouns like this include trousers, jeans, glasses, savings, hanks, steps, stairs, customs, congratulations, tropics, wages, spectacles, outskirts, goods, wits. Plural noun with plural verb sentence, trousers. These are actually plural nouns and used as plural also. My trousers are too tight. Jeans, her jeans are black. Glasses, those glasses are his. Glasses means specs, chashma. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.